Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can overlay a video in a video using vid.io. So here I'm going to edit a video and add overlay using vid.io. You can just open the vid.io on your browser and then you can just tap on create new project. Now you can just upload file, choose two videos. So in here, I'm going to find the video first. Okay, so here I've already added two different videos. So what you need to do to make it as overlay is you can just click on the one that you want to make as overlay and drag it on top of the other video like this. So now it will cover the first video. Then here what you need to do is just resize it by clicking on the overlay video and then just drag the edges like this. So you can resize and crop it to how you like it, position it to how you like it. I'm going to resize it like this. And then in here you can also see some settings on the video. You can edit the round corners. You can add round corners. You can adjust the round corner itself, and you can also adjust the opacity of the video, or you can also flip it like this, horizontal or vertically. So just position it to how you like it and you are done. So this is how you can overlay a video in a video using vid.io. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.